Australian permanent migrant intake has been reset to the pre-pandemic planning level of 190,000 placements, which was a slight decrease from the 2022-23 level of 195,000. During the pandemic years, the permanent migration intake was set to 160,000. 72% of the 190,000 placements have been allocated to skill migration, which roughly amounts to 137,100 placements, and 28% to the family migration, which is roughly around 52,000. It is a change from the almost 50-50 skilled family migration split in 2021 during the pandemic. And as you can see on your screen, the allocation for business innovation and investment visas decreased from 5,000 to under 2,000 places, which reflects a shift away from this category and towards employer-sponsored and skilled independent visas. The 2023 and 24 composition of the family stream remained the same as last year. So for partner visa, it is around just over 40,000 visas. Parent visa is 805,000. Child visa 3,000. And then, as I said, it is roughly around 52,000. Also, government has increased the visa application fees and charges, as you can see on your screen. From 1st July of 2023, visa application charges will increase by between 6% to 40%, as you can see here. That for the visitor visa, the increase is 15%. Same goes for the temporary work. And then for business innovation investment visas, it is 40%. And rest of the visas are 6%. So I believe that for most of the work related visas, it is around 15%. And I have taken this data from the federal budget, which was announced just recently. There are other changes too, and announcement around your in the budget around the visas, such as skill assessment pilots to provide onshore migrants with fast-tracked skill assessment and support with free employability assessment. This will include improved qualification recognition for migrants, especially from India, and also the greater support for migrants, including an enhanced adult migrant English program, which is very useful. In addition, international students working in the aged care sector will be exempt from the fortnightly work hour cap of 48 hours until the end of this year. So I hope that this was useful. And before you start your application for work or visitor or any skilled migrant program, you would be aware of this price increase and the other changes. If you have any questions or feedback, please put it in the comment section.